In this presentation, you will see how to adjust the shelf offset in the BevMAX Media 2. When you open the service door, the screen will display Enter PIN with an interactive keypad. Be careful when opening and closing the door from this point forward, as closing the door will kick you out of the programming modes. Now enter the PIN by pressing 3333. After entering the PIN, the machine will display the diagnostics menu, including a list of active errors if any exist. Press the Home icon at the top of the screen to display the operator's technician's main menu. Next, select System Settings. At the bottom right corner of the screen, notice there is a triangle. When you see this icon, it means that there are more screens to see under this heading. Press the triangle to change the screen until you see Cabinet Offsets. It should be on the fourth screen. With that screen showing, select Cabinet Offsets. Under the Cabinet Offset menu, we have Auto Calibrate Hook Offset, Move to Swipe Position. Valid values for the hook offset are in the red text. These values will vary depending on the model of the machine you are working with. Hook offset and shelf offset. We will cover all of these in separate trainings, but for this presentation we will concentrate on shelf offset. If the cup position requires adjustment, select Shelf Offset and use the keypad to enter the new setting. Increments of 200 will move the cup approximately 1/16 of an inch. So if you want to increase the travel, increase the number. If you want to reduce the travel, decrease the number. We recommend making adjustments in increments of 200 or less to reduce the risk of over travel and damaging any of the parts. After entering the new setting, select the Accept button at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll need to check your adjustment in platform movement. Press the Home button to go back to the main menu. Next, select Test. In the Test menu, press the arrow to go to the next screen. Then press Platform Movement. Next, locate your door switches at the top of the service area. The left switch is the power interrupt switch. Activate the power interrupt switch and secure it in place by pulling out on the slide bar below it. Press Move to Selection and a keypad will appear on the screen. Enter the selection you want the cup to go to and press Accept. The cup will travel to that selection. Select Cycle Cup to activate the picker. Pay close attention to where the picker strikes the target on the shelf. The top edge of the picker needs to strike between the two lines molded into the target as seen here. If the adjustment is good, press Move to Selection and then press the 0 and the cup will return home. If more adjustments are necessary, you will need to go back to the Cabinet Offsets in the System Settings menu and repeat the process until the picker strikes the target correctly. Once the adjustment is good, select Home and the cup will return home. This will conclude the adjustment of the shelf offset. You can close the door to exit the menus.